Hi guys, welcome back to my Ankaranation YouTube channel. In today's tutorial I want to show you how to make Ankara slippers from the scratch. So these are the things we'll be using for this tutorial. This is slipper sew, scissors, this is carry board or paper fiber, these are tape rule, this is marco, Evostic gum or shoemaker gum, the Ankara fabric we'll be using, and hammer. On your paper fiber, pick your slipper sew, you place it this way and we'll trace it out. So this is it. After tracing it, you are going to cut it out. Well, you are going to cut it out, but not exactly on the line that I just traced. You are going to make it smaller. Look at what I'm doing. Are you seeing the line that I traced? Look at where I am cutting. I'm going to make it cut it smaller than the line that you trace out. So I hope you can see I didn't cut out on the line that I traced. So when you have done this, you pick your marco, place your slipper sew on your marco, and you also trace it out. So when you are cutting this one out, we are going to cut exactly on the line that will just trace, exactly on the line. So this is exactly slipper sew. You can see this one is smaller. So the next thing to do is to apply your gum. You are going to gum this way. So you apply your gum on this part and this part, and you wait for it a little to dry. After applying your gum, you allow it to dry a bit, then you gum this. You use your hammer to beat it. So after doing that, keep it aside. Then come back to the marco. For the marco, your Ankara fabric, this is the right side and this is the wrong side. So you place your marco this way and you are going to cut this out with excess to wrap. When you are done tracing out, cut out your Ankara fabric with excess. So you're going to apply gum. You're going to apply gum so that we'll wrap it up with our Ankara fabric. So after applying gum, you allow your gum to dry a bit. So guys, when you are done wrapping your marker with your Ankara fabric, so the next thing to do is to form our cover for the slippers. From this point of your slippers, you mark 2 inches. Mark 2 inches to this side and 2 inches to this side. This is where we'll be fixing the cover of our slippers. So 2 inches to this side and 2 inches to this side. So this is what we are using for the cover. This is Bridal Satin. I ironed gum stay on it. That's interfacing on it. So let's measure 9 inches by 6. So you stitch this way, fold it into 2, stitch from this point to this point, then you turn it inside out and iron it. So guys, this is it. I stitch it and I turn it inside out. I've ironed it and you can see how neat it is. So on your marker now, from this point to this point, 2.5 inches, 2.5 inches and 2.5 inches. You apply your gum and allow it to dry a little. So this is where you put the cover. So from that 2.5 inches, put the cover of your slippers this way. The help of your gum to stay. If you have shoelace or shoelace, I don't know what they even call it, you can use it. If you don't have, just be placing your leg inside so that you get your size. You can see. So let me hold this down to dry. So when you are done fixing the cover of your slippers, we'll apply gum. We'll apply gum to this and to this, and you allow it to dry a little. So guys, when you have applied gum, you wait for it a bit to dry. Then you're going to gum this on our slippers. So after fixing it, you use your hammer to beat it. So this is it. So let's design these slippers now. I don't want us to do it this way. So this is Ankara fabric. We are going to use it to make bow on it. 7 inches by 4.5 inches. So you fold. This is the right side of this fabric and this is the inside. Fold to the right side this way. This is the right side. Fold this way. Stitch from this point to this point to this point. So I stitch from this point to this point. So you are going to cut it open and turn it inside out. So after turning, you're going to form a bow. You fold 1, 2, 3, and you hold it in the middle. We use thread to tie it. start tying. Cut a thread off, and this is it. You're going to cover this thread. This is pieces of the bridal satin we use for this cover. This is just pieces of it. We use this to cover it with the help of hot glue. I hold it to dry. I'll be placing this way on the slippers, and with the help of hot glue I'm going to do that too. So I'll still apply hot glue. Then I'll place it on my slippers and hold it down to dry. So guys, this is our slippers. This is the finish of our Ankara slippers. If you like this video, so guys, the bow is dry and this is the finished work of our Ankara slippers. Please subscribe, turn on notification bell so you get notified every time I drop a new video. Comment and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial.